12:30 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Antioch, or near Rayford, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fayetteville around 12:20 a.m. Godwin around 12:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Eastover, Silver City, Wade, Hope Mills, and Venter. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from